How low can you go? I'm talking about
There you go.
fares. How low
2025.
can you go?
2025, folks.
Whew. Don't spend all that cash in one place.
How low can Uber fares go? Just when you think Uber can't get any lower, by a driver sent this to me, obviously, they prove you wrong. Are you still taking the lowest fare screenshot? You bet, buddy.
Whew.
I had a couple today in Indiana. So I guess it's not just LA, Chris. I think it's a nationwide epidemic here. They they used to be a rate cards until a few months ago. Okay, not too bad, it's gone. Then they went upfront pay cut. The old rate card was $1.15 a mile. That's fucking good, and 15 cents a minute. The upfront fares are for sure.
Specific low minimum fare too.
Yeah, no,
Especially for these real shorties.
Okay, so here's the short one that I got today while I was out that way. And is this the lowest fare that you've seen? I think so. I think on Uber, 242, I think is the lowest fare I've seen. I've seen 270, 268, 280, stuff like that, but 242. Ooh. And look at that 242 trip, Chris. You have to drive 3 miles to get there.
No thanks.
I chuckle. Uber.
And that person can't walk Uber. 0.8 of a mile?
Most of you worker employees at Uber, honestly, what can you buy for $2.42 in 2025? Huh? I can't even buy a pack of gum with that 242 Uber.
I don't even think you can get water for that anymore.
No. Even the Dasani water you can't get for 242. 10 minutes for $2.42? Okay. Let's say I'm desperate. I did this Uber. That's 10 minutes. There are 10 minutes in an hour. Times 6 Uber, $12 plus another couple, 14. Take my $6 an hour expense. So I did 6 of these nonstop, Chris, one after the other, buddy.
I'm trying to get that ride challenge bonus, man.
I got $8. I got $8.
Look, that might. I'm not condoning this in any way, but that might be the only reason that ride could be accepted is if you are actually trying to get a bonus and that's a quick ride.
A quest?
Yeah, if you're trying to hit that bonus or something,
they don't
that's the only way.
They don't do quest anymore.
It's got to be so the juice has got to be worth the squeeze. I mean, if you add all those 242 up, that incentive isn't going to be enough for it.
They don't do quests anymore, but Steve is right. You can't give 242
hey, all you got is dollars. You don't got no $5, $10. Come on.
Yeah, exactly. That's hilarious. But 242 is pretty low. So have you guys seen? Okay, I've seen lower for sure on delivery, but this is rideshare we're talking. Have you guys seen lower than 242? If you have, shoot it my way. Sergio at the rideshareguy.com. And Chris, and this is a trip radar on top of that. It's like, what the F is going on?
Don't worry. Actually, here's the thing. When it comes back around, it's going to be 240. And then it's going to be 179.
Oh, like the Buddha trick that they're going to pull
because it's going the wrong way.
These are a reverse auction. A reverse auction. So anyway, if you guys seen the lower than 242, please shoot it my way. Sergio at the rideshareguy.com. We'll probably put it up. Maybe not. But 242 is pretty low, Chris.
Yeah. Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
I got to drive 3 miles, put a human in my car, drive another mile, drop them off, say, have a nice day.
Well, here's the thing.
And for $2.62.
Let's say your cost of running your car is 60 cents a mile.
Okay.
That's what, 3.5 miles there?
4
miles.
3 miles. I think it was 3 and 0.8. So
that's 240 right there. Congratulations. You literally just paid your maintenance.
You lost. That's a good point.
You gave a free ride there.
You just gave a free ride. You know, rideshare is what is these days? Rideshare is public service, you know?
That's why you need you either need Gary's calculator or GigU's profit calculator in order to figure out your costs. If you don't know your costs, you are doing this wrong.
Well, you guys should
do not take another ride. In fact, if you're on the platform right now, if you're listening to us and you're on the platform right now, pull over after you drop off your passenger, pull up these calculators, put in your information. It's going to put in like literally 3 minutes of your time to figure it out. And you will know the costs associated with driving your car. And then at that point, you know if a ride is worth it or not. Plain and simple.
You're talking about the GigU calculator, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Seriously, folks. I mean, please, folks, please tell everyone you know, do not accept 242s. It's just not good for your car, not good for your health, not good for your brain. It's just not good for you. Don't do it.
I would say the only way it would be good for you is if you were literally sitting there and you had to go down the street, like maybe a quarter of a block or closer to the pickup. Like there it is. There's the person. Like what? I mean, how many times have you actually had it where you take a ride is literally across the street or right down the street from where you just dropped somebody off?
Right.
I mean, Chris, I've had that happen a few times. That would probably be the only possible way, because at that point it's less than a mile to go. It's only 3 minutes. At that point, it might actually be worth it to take, because your cost would be still 60 cents to 242. That would be the only way. Other than that, there's no effing way. If you're more than a quarter block away, there's no way that it's going to be worth it there.
Well, this one was 3 miles away, but the point, okay, let's say you drop off and then you get a 242, literally exactly where, it has happened to me a few times. Exactly where you drop off is where you're picking up. Literally where you're dropping off is right there, right? Even that way, Chris. Okay, and then let's say the person you picked up, that trip is 5 minutes only. Okay, let's say it is. See, what happens is that a lot of people in my world, trading and investing, whatever, there's something called opportunity cost. While you're doing that 242 5-minute trip, you may miss a banger.
There it is.
Opportunity cost is more important than anything else in life. So don't mess around.
So if you have to justify a trip in order to take it, to make it seem like it's worth it,
you should have $5.
It's not worth it, period. It doesn't matter how it is. Just let it run out and wait for the next ride to come in, because you're probably going to be much more worth it.
Don't even think about it. Don't even think about it.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.